Hey folks, do you have all kinds of different socket sizes and different drives? This little kit right here is awesome because it gives you a bunch of stuff. Now, we were giving this free for honest review, and this is going to be very useful in the garage because every now and then you got to go and have a half-inch drive. Like right here, you got a 1/2 to 3/4. Now, I don't use a lot of 3/4, but because of that, I don't want to buy a 3/4 drive. So I can just put my 1/2-inch drive in here and use a 3/4 socket. Another option is if you have a 1/2-inch drive but a 3/8 socket, this will work perfect for you. Sometimes you get those real odd situations where you got to do the exact opposite. You can go from 3/8 to 1/2. And then, of course, you've got the 3/8 to 1/4, and then you've got the 1/4 to 3/8. So lots of different options. Now, this right here is a 1/2-inch drive. If you've got it in a unique situation, it will pivot. It pivots 360 degrees and gives you a little bit more angle. Same thing with the 3/8. Then you've got this unique thing where you can put a bit in here, go with a 1/2-inch drive to a 1/4 drill bit. Same thing with a 1/4. You can put a 1/4-inch drive, and then you can put your bit on the end of it. Okay, this is your 1/4-inch pivot. Okay, so 1/4-inch drive, and it pivots. So if you've got a unique situation where you've got a 1/4-inch drive, you need a pivot, but you've also got to convert it to 3/8, well, you can do this right here. You can put your 3/8 conversion in here, so you got 1/4 to 1/4, and then this goes to 3/8. Or you could just use the 3/8. Great piece of gear, nice little kit, compact design. Put it in your truck, put it in your toolbox, secure case. Hope you guys enjoy it.